Hey everybody, so today we have here, this is the Lenovo Legion Y740-15irh, and it's a nice laptop. It's a gaming laptop. It's pretty cool. Screen is cracked, and it's pretty bad. We're just gonna be showing you how to replace it today. It's not anything too difficult, but it's just a nice machine. So we kind of want to show you. It's little custom stickers on the back here. All the ports on the back, which is cool too. Yes. Alright, what we're going to be doing is doing a screen replacement on this. Shouldn't be too difficult, but I believe this one is probably more of a glued one, so we just kind of want to show you how to do it. Let's just get into it. So what you want to do is you want to start smooth the bottom so you can take out the battery. And you want to take out the battery so you don't short anything. It's always the first thing you want to do. Just want to lift it here and just take out the battery. There we go. It's just enough just to loosen it so the battery comes out. That's fine. So now we just want to remove the bezel here. Just get like a little stopper thing, guitar pick or whatever, just to remove it. Okay, it should come up just like that. And we're presented with, there's some tabs here. So the main tab right here, and what that is a glue tab. So what you want to do, just take like a little, you just want to take some tweezers, and there's going to be one on each side, so we're just going to grab it, and what you're going to do is you're just going to grab it like this, and you want to be gentle so you don't break it there. You just twist it and pull it, because this is the glue that actually comes here. You see it'll come out. If you actually watch our other video, we did another one like just like this a while ago. See, the screen's really starting to come there. And if it is a little bit tough, you can always put a little bit of heat on the back there, and it should loosen it up. Okay. And then you just want to do the same on the other side. Once you get them both, then you can just take back the screen here. We want to be careful though, the cable right here, it's a little bit tight. You just want to hold it. I'm holding this kind of my hand underneath. So you want to hold it, and then you just want to remove this. Okay, and then you just remove it. Then you can just take it out. There's nothing else holding it in. When you're putting on the adhesive here, what you want to do is you want to kind of measure up where it was last time. So you'll see there's this long line, long streaky line. I know there's fingerprints everywhere, but ignore that. But there's this long line here that goes all the way up. You can see that it's a faint, and you just want to replicate that on the new screen. So once you do that, that's what you want to do. So let's just put some tape on there. You just want to get some double-sided tape there. Doesn't have to be super strong, but it just needs to be at least enough to hold it in. I would recommend like a 3M or something like that. Really good tape. And this is basically going up the whole way, so it's going to be on the one side. So it's a little bit in, and we're just going to copy it about here. Always more than less, which is good. So put that on here. Snip it. Put that on here. That's okay. This has to be perfect. Just leave it up. Be aware of this. Okay, peel that off. Okay, let's get those off. You can just put it on. So make sure it's lined up. The base will kind of sit itself there. Everything, at least on the edge, it kind of just fits only in one place. There's not much you can really do here. So let's just put it in. We'll put the bezel on. And get some clips going on there, which sounds good. So just plug in the battery then. Make it's all plugged up. And that's it. Alright guys, that's how you really replace the screen on the Legion Y740-15irh, I believe it is called. It's a nice long name for it. It's a very nice laptop. Has some cool RGB, especially for a laptop keyboard. Please leave a like if you learned something and found this video very enjoyable. Please subscribe for more content. We do have a lot more stuff coming. We like to focus more on Mac liquid spill repairs, hard drive recoveries, data recoveries, and lots of other things, especially desktops as well. We recently opened up a store. Please go ahead and check that out. Send a link in the description below. But anyways, guys, really hope you enjoyed, and thanks a lot for watching. Bye.